Hello everyone, this is Matanek and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share you the unboxing of the Smart Wi-Fi NVR kit and show you the setup installation demo. Hard drive is not included on this model. Just a product overview. This NGTeco camera kit uses its own NGTeco Home app available for both iOS and Android. It has a human detection technology, night vision, and optional cloud storage service. The camera is 1080p resolution, and the wireless transmission range is up to 120 meters in an open space. It supports SATA hard drive. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. If you are interested with this camera, I will put the link down on the description below so you can check it out. It comes with a quick startup guide. To be honest with you, you won't probably need to read all of it. This camera kit is easy to set up. This is the NVR base station. In the front, you have the power LED, the status, and then the hard drive. On the back, you have the DC 12 volt connection to port for USB, HDMI out, VGA, and LAN port to connect with your network. Here we have the box full of the power supply and accessories. So starting with the Ethernet cable, the DVR AC DC power supply, and then the camera power supply. Comes with the hard drive attachment screws. It comes with a cheapo mouse. And here are the rest of the camera AC adapters. This AC adapter is rated for 110 to 240 volts. And this is the first box of the camera, and mounting screws are included. The camera housing is made of metal, and here are the connections, the reset and the power plug. At the time of creating this video, I don't have the hard drive, so I'm gonna skip that part. First, plugged in all the power, for the cameras, and then turn on the DVR. Once it boots up, you should get two barcode. One on the left is to download the app, and then the right side QR code to add the camera to your app. Right now, I don't have a QR code on the right because it's not plugged into the network. Next is I'm gonna show you all the menus and submenus of this camera. Feel free to skip if you want to. At the end of this video, I will leave you a sample video footage day and night, and it's up for you to decide if this camera is for you. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.